move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together, I'm telling you, it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If only this time that I got into you, I'll dedicate all my love unto you, only baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you up, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah. Going through, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be, got to be down. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I'm feeling like this. I wanna be down. Wanna be down. Yeah. I wanna be down. I got to be down. I wanna be down. I got to be down. I wanna be down. I got to be down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay guys, so this is like a week later after I did my hair, and I just want to step in and actually wear this product from I Am Blessed Hands, the one that I showed you in the clips before. I actually just want to wear it just to make sure that it held up the way I thought it would before I actually put this video out. So I have been wearing this hair for like a week. So again, this is my natural hair that is out. Wax stick is for styling and defining, which creates texture, reduces frizz, and it's also a heat protectant. And I've had this before. I bought this numerous of times, so I do know how this works. Love it. Never buying another edge control. So I wanted to try out this as well, and you guys, I love it just the same. Like it actually snowed down here, it rained, so like as I had this hair has been through all kinds of weather conditions. I've really had a chance to wear my real hair using this wax stick, and you guys, I really love it. It has, you know, allowed my hair to hold up through it all. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. And I just wanted to tell you guys that I bought another set as well. Got you, girl. I got you, because I want everybody edges to be slaying. Okay, so comes as a bundle now on her site. So I ordered another set. My hands are ashy, y'all. I did my makeup and washed my hands, don't mind that. So I bought a set to give away to one of you guys, and I also bought another edge control for the ones who don't want to put heat on their hair and they just want to try the edge control. Got you soon. So I'll be giving away these two together and this separately by itself. So I'll be giving away to 2 people. Make sure that you leave some kind of way I can contact you, like your Snapchat, Instagram, email, anything, so I can reach out to you to notify you if you have won. Just like, comment below which one you want, and I'll be reaching out to you via your Snap, Insta, or email. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up as well. Let me know if you want to see how I created this. Oh, y'all see that highlight? Y'all never mind, because y'all ain't even ready for all that. Y'all ain't even ready for all that, so never mind. Y'all ain't even ready. Yep. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.